Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube channel. First, go on YouTube, of course. That's where you just make your channel. Then, you should have login. Go in here to the picture, press it. Wait for it to load. Since I'm not a YouTuber, I don't have all these. But you aren't a YouTuber yet, so go down to the settings. Press it. You be jumped to this place. Press create a new channel. On yours, it said create a channel. Press it. You just press the blue button on your YouTube channel. Okay, I'll press it. This is just an example, so I won't post anything and probably I'll just delete it after I did this. So first, add your channel name. Like mine is George Learn and Play. My name is George and the IDs in this video is Learn and Play. So you can add anything, like your name is Alvin, and then you're gonna make games, or you can write Alvin 1231. You can add some random numbers, but it'll be hard to remember. I usually say put your name and then put the IDs in there. So let's see, I'm George, right? And in this channel, I want to make about music, so I'll make George Music. Okay, so after that, you press the I am understanding that I'm getting it. You Google about what its own settings is going to do. Press it. Great. You will be asked to join. So now just be patient a bit, guys. Okay, we're almost getting there. This is just a short video and how you subs. So please just subscribe for me so I can do more videos. Okay, here. After you have done, here's your channel. Here, no subscribers plus no videos. Okay, now you go over here. Press upload a video. First, you have to make a video. Okay? After you make a video, press this. Go into this. By the way, this is a new YouTube channel. You've been gone to the YouTube Creator Studio. That's where my YouTube account is. I can actually go there for you to see. Here, but I have to switch accounts. So later I'll show you. Just patiently waiting. While we're waiting, let's go on Roblox. Oh, it's here. It's still not here. I don't even know what is this. It's so laggy. Okay, here. You can press select files to make a video. You jump to here, and there's some videos. You can upload on your YouTube and then go by using the city. You just do it normally. Do it normally. After this video, I have to do some sexy things that I don't even know to actually put this video on YouTube because I don't really know. This is very old video. I haven't even uploaded. So choose a video something and then you do something, blah blah blah. You can understand it. So I try to make a video of it. Oh, find a video. This is oh here. I just put this in. Okay. This is a random video. I don't know anything. So you can do like you can do anything. Oh my gosh. My gosh. You can do anything. You can do descriptions. You can do anything you want. Thumbnail. Yep. Playlist. You don't have any playlists, yes. So you can add them. It says little kids. Yes. You can just make for kids, but just make for kids. Easter Christmas. After that, you press next. Just press anything you want. I don't know what you want, so yeah. Checks. Now you're doing the checking part. You know that, right? After doing the checking part, I don't know what to say when this do. Wait, I'll let you see. Okay, after you do it, you watch it again. Do you see it's okay? Press this. So, I'll make it private. Oh no. After you press save. No, wait. Okay, here. You wait until it's uploaded. So if I go on my channel again, my YouTube channel here. If I go back to my YouTube channel, okay, here, pressing it. I'm really tired of making this video, so please hit like and subscribe. And by the way, I'm not gonna publish the video, this video I'm making on my old account. I mean my old YouTube. I'm not posting on my old YouTube. I'm only posting on my main YouTube. Okay, so now I'm in the jail thingy. I'll go to my channel here. go in there, press your channel. This is you can know how. So get a little how do you see it? So thanks for watching my new video how to make a YouTube channel. I'm very happy that you watched the entire video. Hopefully you enjoy it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. That's my baby.